Nando's is still learning how to make authentic piri piri sauce. How's it, donkeys? Today we are making one of the most spoken about sauces in the whole entire world. We are making piri piri sauce. As you know, piri piri sauce is very high on the scale. So we are gonna make something that's more family friendly. Firstly, chop 2 small red onions or 1 medium red onion, 1 red pepper, not spicy, just a rough chop, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 bird's eye chillis. And I'm only using 3 because that will give you that medium or mild heat. And then I like to put in 1 fresh tomato for a bit of moisture and to add a bit of umami goodness. In a pan with light olive oil. Straight in with our onions, peppers, chili peppers and garlic. And very importantly, I almost forgot, about half a bunch of coriander, just the stalks to start with. I'll let that sweat for a couple of minutes, just till the veggies are slightly softer. I'm gonna go in with 1 big tablespoon of paprika and then in with our tomatoes. Once the tomatoes has had a minute, we're gonna season quite heavily. When your veggies start breaking down, as you can see the tomatoes, and it's just starting to catch at the bottom of the pan, this is when you go in with 15 grams of brown sugar and then in with 30 grams or 30 ml of white wine vinegar. Cook that for no more than 30 seconds because we don't want the vinegar to reduce. Switch off the heat and we're going to go in with the zest and juice of 1 whole lemon into your blender. Can I just say, the smell in here is unbelievable. In with 100 ml just cold water. Now you can go in with your coriander leaf and blend. Whilst emulsifying 50 ml of light olive oil into the sauce. Now taste. Look at that. Yummy. Please go and make this sauce. It's going to be better than any piri piri sauce that you have ever had from any Nando's anywhere in the world. I am from South Africa. I know what piri piri sauce should taste like, and this is authentic right here. Now get that in your favorite jar, bottle or 10 kilo bucket. Get a lid on it, and this will last you in the fridge a couple of weeks or a couple of days if you mean. Did you think I'm not gonna make piri piri chicken? Come on, man, I'm South African. Here I have beautiful plump chicken legs. We're gonna season it generously with our piri piri all-purpose seasoning and let this sit at room temperature just so the seasoning can penetrate the chicken. And now into a medium-high pan, skin side down with your chicken legs. And once you have a nice, quite dark brown char on the outside, flip them. And when you have it brown on the other side as well, into a bowl with some piri piri sauce goodness. Shake around to cover it. Into a little lined tray, like so. And pour over all of that piri piri goodness. Now wash your hands, you dirty donkey. Just so you know, don't be, because this chicken is not cooked yet. You donkey. We just gave it a nice char and color. And now it's going to go into the oven for 15 minutes and no longer. Look at this beauty. If your chicken doesn't look like that, then you're a donkey because you didn't cook it right. It needs to be a dark char. lemon, garlic, herb amazingness. Every single flavor you can taste right through every single bite. If you want to make the best peri peri sauce that you've ever had in your whole entire life, go now and make this recipe, smother it all over chicken and serve it to your family and friends and your whole entire street, because they will be like, please, can we have some more sauce? Now don't forget to tell everybody you don't know how Chef Donkey rolls. I love you, bye! Look, this is not, you never. How's it, donkeys? Welcome to African Flavors, and today we are talking about, we're not talking anything, we are cooking. Don't know why I say talking.